The BRCA gene and breast cancer. How many of you actually knew what BRCA stood for? I had no clue, guys, until I was diagnosed. And how many of you know anything about the BRCA gene? I know I've heard of it, but I really didn't understand it. One of the reasons why I started Learn Look Locate. So let's break it down. BRCA means breast cancer gene. And why is this important? Well, as some of you know, my dear friend passed away recently. She had the BRCA2 mutation. She was diagnosed in 2019. And I want to educate people, and I know she would want this. So the BRCA1, breast cancer gene 1, and BRCA2, breast cancer gene 2, are genes that produce proteins that help repair damaged DNA. And this is according to the National Breast Cancer Foundation. Everyone, which I did not know this, has 2 copies of these genes, 1 copy inherited from each parent. So why does this matter? Because people with BRCA or PALB2 gene mutations, which I will talk about in another post, have a higher than average chance of developing breast cancer. And that is why the power of genetic testing is so very important. And a lot of people don't know about this. And they are more likely to develop it at a younger age, like my friend. Women with a BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutation can have a 45 to 65% chance of being diagnosed with breast cancer before the age of 70. Now, guys, I didn't get genetic tested until after the words I heard breast cancer, and I was 52. I have a family history of cancer, not breast cancer. I should have been tested, genetic tested. So for the PALB2 mutations, 33% of those people who have that will develop cancer by that age, meaning 70. The good news is that the power of genetic testing can help you and your doctor consult on what to do next. And that power can help educate your family members and really get this message out there so people understand that if you have a propensity to have the BRCA1, BRCA2, PALB, and several other mutations, you can meet with a genetic counselor and develop a plan that's right for you. So I'm really, really passionate about making sure we all understand the power of genetic testing. I did not know any of this. Did you? Were you genetic tested? And did you know what the BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene actually meant? Learn, Look, Locate, follow for more. I'm really just trying to unravel the complexity of this disease. It is so much more than what I ever thought it was. Who agrees?